Imagine realizing that your $100,000 German SUV is statistically inferior to a vehicle that costs half the price, because while Consumer Reports hasn't rated them yet, leaked internal quality benchmarks from Asia show that a new wave of Chinese vehicles is currently embarrassing legacy luxury brands in both build quality and technology. We are talking about rolling spas that make a Bentley feel stiff and an S-Class feel loud. Vehicles that don't just drive you, but actually heal you with hot stone massages and cinema-grade silence. Welcome back to EonDrive, where I stay up until 3 a.m. digging through foreign spec sheets and translating engineering documents just to bring you the truth that the mainstream media ignores. So if you appreciate that hustle, hitting that subscribe button is the best way to say thanks. Today, we are revealing the top 5 most beautiful Chinese SUVs that have shockingly redefined luxury. So let's see what the future of relaxation looks like. Kicking off our list at number 5 is the vehicle that proves you can buy royal presents without a royal budget, the Hongqi E-HS9. If you think this looks like a Rolls-Royce Cullinan, you aren't crazy. It was penned by Giles Taylor, the former head of design at Rolls-Royce, who moved to China to create this masterpiece. And the data shows that build quality tolerances on this vehicle are actually tighter than some British luxury brands. The exterior is dominated by the waterfall grille, a massive vertical chrome statement that commands respect on the road, flanked by matrix LED headlights that perform a welcome ceremony every time you unlock the car, signaling to the world that you have arrived. But the relaxation happens inside, where you find a cabin wrapped in quilted Napa leather and walnut wood that feels more like a private library than a car. The rear seats are captain's chairs that offer heating, ventilation, and massage, allowing you to recline while watching the world pass by in absolute silence, thanks to double-paned acoustic glass that blocks out the chaos of the city. The shock? A Rolls-Royce costs $400,000, but this electric palace starts around $80,000 USD in export markets, giving you 95% of the presence for 20% of the price. Moving to number 4, we have the SUV that looks like it landed from a sci-fi movie set in the year 2050, the Avatr 11. This is the child of a partnership between Changan, the battery giant CATL, and the tech god Huawei, and the design is what they call emotional intelligence. The exterior is smooth, pebble-like, and devoid of sharp edges, featuring a halo screen under the windshield that can display messages to pedestrians, creating a friendly interaction between machine and human. Inside, the relaxation comes from the Vortex design philosophy, a central sculptural element that houses the ambient lighting and air vents, creating a mood that shifts with your music. The seats are designed to hug you, utilizing zero-gravity principles to reduce spinal pressure during long drives. And because it runs on Huawei's ADS 2.0, the car handles the traffic stress for you, navigating complex city streets while you listen to the 14-speaker sound system with active road noise cancellation. The price for this piece of futuristic art? It starts at roughly $42,000 US in China, which is frankly insulting to the German competition, charging double for less tech. At number 3, we have the ultimate sanctuary for the modern family, the Li Auto L9. While other manufacturers chase lap times at the Nürburgring, Li Auto decided to chase nap times, and the consumer satisfaction data proves they were right, with the L9 consistently ranking as the happiest ownership experience in its class. The exterior is clean and unpretentious, defined by a single flawless star ring LED strip that wraps around the front, but the magic is the interior, which functions as a mobile nursery and cinema. The second-row seats feature 4D vibration units that sync with the movie playing on the massive 15.7-inch OLED screen that folds down from the roof, effectively turning the car into an IMAX theater. But the ultimate relaxation feature is the Queen Seat mode and the built-in refrigerator that can keep your drinks at a perfect 0 degrees Celsius or your baby formula at 50. It rides on the magic carpet air suspension that scans the road ahead to erase bumps before you feel them. It is the best-selling full-size SUV in China for a reason. For $65,000 USD, it offers a level of family care that a $120,000 Mercedes GLS cannot match. Coming in at number 2 is the definition of pure elegance, the NIO ES8. This is the flagship that introduced the concept of the second living room to the automotive world. The exterior is a masterclass in pure design, with flush door handles, hidden wipers, and sensors integrated into the watchtower above the windshield so smoothly they look like jewelry. Inside, the passenger gets the Queen co-pilot seat, which reclines a full 120 degrees and includes a motorized footrest, allowing you to lay almost flat while getting a hot stone massage. The materials are sustainable rattan wood and plant-based leather that feels softer than traditional hide. And the Nomi AI robot on the dashboard learns your preferences to adjust the climate and music before you even ask. With the 100 kWh battery, you glide in silence for over 300 miles, and when you run low, you don't wait at a charger, you swap the battery in 3 minutes at a station. The price starts around $70,000, but with battery as a service, you can buy it for $58,000, making it the smartest luxury purchase on the market. And finally, number 1, the car that has effectively ended the dominance of the Mercedes Maybach in China, the AITO M9. This is the crown jewel of the Huawei ecosystem, and the vehicle that analysts say would top every Consumer Reports chart if it were sold in the US. The exterior design is called Kunpeng Spreading Wings, featuring intelligent projector headlights that can literally turn the road into a movie screen when you are parked at a campsite. But the interior is where reality bends. It features the one-glass triple-screen dashboard and a 32-inch retractable cinema screen for the rear passengers that is laser projected, not an LCD, meaning it is gentle on the eyes. The acoustic engineering is baffling. At 80 miles per hour, the cabin is quieter than a library, thanks to active noise cancellation algorithms running on the Huawei sound system. Every seat is a zero-gravity VIP throne, and the Privacy Shield technology ensures the driver cannot hear the phone calls of the rear passengers. It is a private jet for the road. The price for this technological marvel? It starts around $65,000 to $80,000 USD. It is beautiful, it is soft, and it is the most relaxing machine ever built on 4 wheels. So I have to ask you, would you be brave enough to trade in your Benz for a Huawei? Or does the badge still matter more than the experience? Let me know in the comments below. Hit that like button if you respect the hustle, and thanks for watching EonDrive.